In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy eToro stock. We'll keep it simple and clear so you know exactly how to find the right listing and place your order with confidence. First, start by using your broker's search bar. Type the company name or the ticker symbol. For eToro Group, the ticker to look for is ETOR if it's available on your platform. As you type, you should see a drop-down list of matching results. Choose the one that clearly shows the company you want, then click it to open the stock's details page. This page is where you can quickly verify you've got the right listing by checking the company name, ticker, and exchange. You'll usually see the current price, a price chart, recent performance, and sometimes basic stats or news. Take a moment here to make sure everything matches what you intended to buy. A quick double check of the ticker can prevent mistakes with similarly named companies. Once you're on the correct stock page, you're ready to place your buy order. Look for a button that says Trade or Buy and click it. You'll be prompted to enter how much you want to invest. Many brokers let you buy fractional shares, which means you can invest a specific dollar amount rather than purchasing a whole share. This is useful if the share price is high or if you want to start with a smaller amount, sometimes as low as around $10, depending on your broker's minimums. Before you confirm, review the order details carefully. Make sure the amount you entered is correct and note the estimated number of shares you'll be receiving if your broker shows it. Check any cost displayed such as commissions, fees, or the spread between the buy and sell price. You'll often see an estimated execution price. Remember that stock prices can move, especially during volatile periods, so the final fill may vary slightly. If your broker shows market hours or any warnings about after-hours trading, read those as well so you know when your order is likely to execute. When everything looks right, confirm by clicking Open Trade or the equivalent confirmation button. Your platform will process the order and, once executed, the position will appear in your account. That's it. Search, select, buy, and confirm. Keep your own goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon in mind as you invest. And remember, this is educational, not financial advice. Take your time, review the details, and you'll be set to confidently buy eTOR when you're ready.